In this video, I will teach you how to bring transparent text in your video. First, go to Canva and create new project. Or you can simply use your video as a project. I will use video from Canva Video Library. This looks nice. Now adjust. Then input your desired text. Change font color so that it is visible. And select font. Okay, you need to right-click. Then select Layer, then Show Layers. Click on the video and click on Duplicate. Adjust the position. Nice. Now click on Background Remover. Hit play and you will have something like this. You may need to adjust. Now both the videos are in sync. Now duplicate the text as well. After duplicating the text, click on Effects and select Hollow Effect. Again, adjust the position, and there you have it, guys. A nice text in the video effect. Now click on Share, then download the file as MP4.